Now 11:12 in the morning, February 14, and El Tribo de Lucban is heading to the fourth floor, the SM Garden, to rock SM City on the opening of their 3-day sale here in Baguio City.
Kaya na? Ganda. Oo. Sisek talaga ako.
Ay, sorry.
What can I do, sir? Sir Theody Peralta and his brother JR and some crews of SM are here to help us bring up the instruments to the fourth floor and rock SM City there. Hi. Let's proceed to the fourth floor. We are here now at the fourth floor, and the kids seems tired. So let's check them out. They are all seated here at the hallway water. The El Tribo de Lucban kids resting here at the fourth floor of SM City, and we are here to grace the opening of the 3-day sale here at SM fourth floor, and we will now start to rock SM. Hi girls, beautiful girls. Okay. Here are the parents. Welcome guys. We are heading to the SM Garden. This is the last floor, the fourth floor of SM, and we're going to perform here. I'm here now. I am the El Tribo de Lucban. Panagbenga 2025. Okay, it's Valentine's Day. You can see there a big heart. There's a drone up there watching me. Hi, man. Okay, the El Tribo de Lucban is entering here now, the Panagbenga Arc at the fourth floor, SM Garden, Baguio City.
Hi, sir.
How are you, sir?
Good.
We are very happy that you invited us here, sir. We are very happy you invited us here.
Oh, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy your stay.
Yes, sir, we do.
Sorry, excuse me.
And here comes El Tribo de Lucban, gracing the opening of the 3-day sale here in SM City, Baguio City. Okay, at this point they're going to break down now, scatter around and take their snacks at the Heart City. Okay. Done. Okay, guys. Finally, yes. Okay, we're done here. We're going to take a snacks. Okay, so they're going to perform here at SM Garden.
Kasi babasa ba? Babasa.
There's UC. There's the Athletic Bowl. There goes Burnham Park. And that point there is Melvin Jones. And that mountain there is Quirino Hill. And then there is an open area there that is Bosol Watershed. And next to it on the left is Dreamland Subdivision. And that road's going to Cannon Road now.